Today, I'm going to talk to you about visceral therapy. It's one of the techniques manual osteopaths use to relieve pain and discomfort. Visceral therapy, also known as visceral manipulation therapy, is a gentle manipulation technique to relieve tension and restore mobility. The viscera are the body's internal organs, specifically those located in the chest, so the heart and lungs, and those found in the abdomen, the liver, pancreas, and intestines. Visceral therapy uses gentle massage techniques to manipulate the organs and the connective tissue that holds them in place. This releases the pressure, restrictions, and lack of mobility. These issues may be caused by scars from surgery, poor posture, disease, or strain. Visceral therapy can help with many different types of disorders. These include abdominal bloating, endometriosis, headaches, irritable bowel syndrome, menstrual pain, and pain from scar tissue. A healthcare professional such as a manual osteopath can carry out visceral therapy. At the start of your session, they will ask you questions about your health and well-being and what you hope to achieve from treatment. Then your manual osteopath will use hands-on techniques to massage and manipulate the targeted area. This is not painful, and many people report that they find it a relaxing and positive experience. It's suitable for most people and, as we've seen, can help a whole range of conditions, so as well as being gentle, it's versatile too. To know more about visceral therapy, check out our article or get in touch with our experts at Osteo Health. To book an appointment, please visit our online booking site. Stay healthy with Osteo Health.